Ayun guys, live update namin dito sa Amerika. Monday, sinugod namin si Honey Bunny sa hospital kasi nanghihina tsaka hinahirapan siyang huminga. So the first day, nasa emergency room kami. Then the doctor decided to kailangan namin magstay. Kasi based the test result, meron si Honey Bunny pneumonia. Nakuha niya guys yung pneumonia from COVID kasi nagka-COVID siya ng ilang araw. But when we go to the hospital, he doesn't have any COVID negative, but he got pneumonia. So they need to treat the pneumonia. So we need to stay here in the hospital. After all the treatment, day 2, medyo okay na yung pakiramdam niya. Tuloy-tuloy yung pahinga para mas malakas siya. And ayun, on day 3, sabi ng doktor, everything is okay, kaya pwede na kaming lumabas today. Lunchtime, before we go home. Oh wow, look at that. So pretty. Yeah. At super happy namin guys kasi nakauwi na kami.